Dude.
Hmm. we have to make our own sounds for our own, you know. So no, don't say it when I do it. Okay, I have to say it on my own.
Okay.
Wait.
No, that's when you hook, man.
No, it's when I hammer.
No.
It's a long hook, you know.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, no. Okay.
That was a miss hook.
Dude.
It's really hard to do it.
Yeah. For real, instead of the clink clink sound, I need. You have to do two times because it's always when you me and you when you hit the wall.
Oh, the wall doesn't count. It's only when you hook each other, you know.
So, it makes another sound when you hook a T, right? It's like
yeah, it's like you know, it's like get fucked, you know, like slapped in the face.
always when I hook a T, it should be like oh. Like the T gets an orgasm. Also.
I have to make a client like that, dude. And we have to finish the map with it, okay? Fuck, it's gonna be so funny, man. Cause it's probably gonna do it as whenever you hook as well, you know. I think so, but I'm not sure. Ooh, Claudine. I'm here.
Hey, tons of here.
Oh shit. Every time I shotgun it should be like a bird, you know.
Sometimes I get so bad legs.
No.
Like this one time.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Did you fail? Oh no. You big boy, Claudine.
Schmarz.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
You know?
Oh. Yeah. That was risky, huh, Claudine?
Oh, damn. This is sounds fucking all the time.
Oh, I can't do it non-stop. It would hurt my throat, you know. Oh. Okay, ready?
Imagine in a fucking Hammerfly this orchestra.
Oh my god, yes. Wait, swap. Okay. This orchestra. Oh no. Oh. Ooh. Ah!
Yeah.
Oh no, 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 no! Oh. Oh.
Oh, dude. Day.
Ooda day. Ooda clutly yay. Blaze a blaze a day. I will go on edge and I will hook you up there, bitch. Oh.
Fail, fuck, kill.
We have to kill now.
Unbind kill fast.
Oh my god. I'm just not gonna touch my keyboard at all. Oh my god, you moved.
No.
Yes, you did. You moved at the end when I hammered you.
Fuck you.
I could feel it. Oh, I'm on edge. Wait, should I go next?
Yeah.
Fail. Where you go? Oh,
Ah, okay.
it's okay. Okay. Wait.
Stronger.
Oh. Okay. And then hammer it.
Nice. Oh, that was close. Sure.
Okay, come. Wait. Okay, we do like good. Okay, we do good. Come.
I don't have DJ.
And whatever. Who cares? Come. I will hammer you here.
First one, right?
Okay, you throw me over. Okay.
Okay.
So there's no argument. Oh.
Okay.
Cloudly. No. Why you moved? Holy shit, Cloudly. You cannot do shit like this now.
I thought I'm not. And go.
Wait, failing this is not allowed. Okay.
And just go a bit slower. I mean, we can't get first rank because it's 14 seconds and we're not close to finish. We have to do 2 more parts.
Oh shit. Okay. You go far.
No.
That's not fucking far.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh, this, yes, go.
Dude, that was so close.
Wait, try again, it's okay.
Now we get second rank, I think.
Oh, wait, I'm freaked out, go.
Nice.
Okay, nice, for me. Oh, okay, wait, go.
Jump 2 times.
Okay, wait, I go first because I'm scared. Okay. Cloudly, you ready?
Yes.
Go.
No.
Okay.
I'm so scared right now.
Say now when we go, okay? Wait, just start now.
Go.
Oh, dude, wait, go back. And now.
Go. Nice! Oh no! It's in the fucking record with some. Okay, stop! No way!
Oh, that's good. Oh.
Dude, no way, man!
Oh, fuck, this is the best one ever, man. Oh, shit.
No, man, we just finished.
Oh, fuck,
but
man.
we were pretty fast, but still, like,
No.
almost a minute slower than Milligan.